Alright. Here's another video. Making another video that I promised you guys that I will do. It's junked up in my room right now, so I'm not gonna worry about that. So I'm gonna do a test of the twin chamber self-propelled versus let me bring this down. Let me turn this around so twin Hoover self-propelled twin chamber wind tunnel versus this Dyson Animal 2. It's a Dyson ball. Always wanted to do a battle test, especially between two bagless units. So before I actually started to get this on video, I actually emptied out the dirt cup before I started this video. Okay, and because as you can remember, I was using it yesterday when I did the video, so I emptied it out. Dirt cup on the Dyson is emptied out as well. It's emptied out as well. So yeah. So I'm gonna get this started. I'm gonna go ahead and plug both machines in. First, I'm gonna plug the Dyson up. Alright, now I'll plug up the Hoover. So, the first one we're gonna start with is the Dyson. So, first one.
Dude, what the hell you did to my damn TV? What? I don't understand that bullshit.